Nightstands and coffee tables are essential furniture pieces found in many homes, each serving distinct purposes that enhance both functionality and aesthetic appeal. A nightstand, also known as a bedside table, is typically a small table placed next to a bed. It provides convenient storage for items that one might need within arm's reach during the night, such as lamps, books, glasses, or personal items. Nightstands are often designed to complement the bed and overall bedroom decor, contributing to the room's ambience. On the other hand, a coffee table is a low table placed in front of a sofa or seating area, primarily used for placing drinks, books, or decorative items. Coffee tables serve as a focal point in living spaces, bringing together seating arrangements and enhancing the functionality of the area. They can vary widely in style, size, and material, allowing homeowners to choose pieces that fit their personal taste and the overall design of their living spaces. The benefits of making and using nightstands and coffee tables extend beyond their practical applications. These pieces contribute significantly to the organization and aesthetic harmony of a home. When crafted thoughtfully, they can enhance the functionality of a room while also reflecting the personality and style of the homeowner. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of stylish nightstands and coffee table ideas you can make for profit or home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the primary benefits of having nightstands is the convenience they provide. By placing essential items within easy reach, nightstands contribute to a more organized and functional bedroom. This accessibility can improve daily routines, especially in the morning and at night. For instance, having a lamp on the nightstand allows for easy reading before bed, while a designated space for glasses or a phone can help reduce clutter. This organization leads to a more serene environment, promoting relaxation and comfort in the bedroom. Similarly, coffee tables play a crucial role in enhancing the functionality of living spaces. They serve as a central hub for social interactions, providing a surface for drinks, snacks, and games during gatherings with family and friends. The presence of a coffee table encourages conversation and connection, making it an integral part of socializing in the home. By creating a designated space for items, coffee tables help maintain a tidy environment, preventing clutter from accumulating on sofas or other surfaces. In addition to their practical benefits, nightstands and coffee tables contribute to the overall aesthetic of a home. These pieces can serve as statement items, showcasing the homeowner's style and taste. A beautifully crafted nightstand can elevate the bedroom decor, while a unique coffee table could be a conversation starter in the living room. The variety of materials, finishes, and designs available allows homeowners to select pieces that align with their vision for their living spaces. Making nightstands and coffee tables can also be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. For those who enjoy woodworking or crafting, creating custom furniture pieces offers a chance to express creativity and craftsmanship. Designing and building these items allows individuals to tailor them to their specific needs, preferences, and space constraints. This hands-on approach not only results in unique furniture, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride in one's work. Moreover, crafting nightstands and coffee tables can be an opportunity for sustainability. By using reclaimed wood or eco-friendly materials, artisans can create beautiful furniture while minimizing their environmental impact. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who are increasingly concerned about the ecological footprint of their purchases. By making their own furniture, individuals can take control of the materials they use, ensuring that their pieces are not only stylish, but also environmentally responsible. The customization aspect of making nightstands and coffee tables is another significant benefit. When individuals create their own furniture, they have the freedom to choose dimensions, styles, and finishes that perfectly fit their homes. This level of personalization ensures that the final product meets specific functional needs and aesthetic preferences. For instance, someone may choose to incorporate additional storage into a nightstand or select a unique shape for a coffee table that complements their seating arrangement. This customization enhances the overall harmony of the space, allowing for a cohesive design that reflects the homeowner's personality. In addition to customization, making nightstands and coffee tables can also be a cost-effective solution. Purchasing high-quality, custom furniture can be expensive, but creating these pieces from scratch can significantly reduce costs. By sourcing materials independently and investing time in the crafting process, individuals can save money while still achieving a high level of craftsmanship. This financial benefit makes it an appealing option for those looking to furnish their homes without breaking the bank. The functional benefits of nightstands and coffee tables extend to their roles in promoting organization and efficiency. Nightstands provide a designated space for items that might otherwise clutter the bedroom. By keeping personal belongings organized and within reach, they contribute to a more orderly environment, which can have a positive impact on mental well-being. A clutter-free space is often associated with reduced stress and increased focus, making nightstands an essential part of creating a serene bedroom atmosphere. Coffee tables, too, play a vital role in maintaining order in living spaces. They serve as a surface for items that might otherwise be scattered throughout the room. By providing a centralized location for drinks and snacks, coffee tables help prevent messes and promote tidiness. This organization is particularly beneficial during gatherings, where the risk of clutter can increase significantly. A well-placed coffee table encourages guests to use it as a space for their belongings, keeping the rest of the living area more organized. Using nightstands and coffee tables can also foster a sense of comfort and familiarity in a home. These pieces often become integral parts of daily routines, providing comfort and convenience for homeowners. The presence of a nightstand with a lamp can create a cozy reading nook, while a coffee table laden with favorite books and games can become a focal point for family gatherings. These everyday interactions contribute to the overall experience of home, making it a place of comfort and belonging. The social aspect of coffee tables cannot be overlooked. These pieces often serve as gathering points for friends and family, facilitating connections and shared experiences. Whether it's enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning or hosting a game night, coffee tables play a central role in creating memories. The act of sharing space around a coffee table fosters a sense of community and togetherness, reinforcing the importance of relationships in our lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish nightstands and coffee table ideas you can make for profit or home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.